Today we are going to discuss L attributed definition and S attributed definition. Okay, what is S attributed definition and L attributed definition? S attributed definition. If every attribute is synthesized, then it is a S attributed definition. S attributed syntax directed definition can be evaluated in a bottom up order of the nodes of the parse tree. Okay, these are the things related to the S attributed definition. Now next, L attributed definition. L attributed definition synthesized or inherited, but with the rule limited as follows. Suppose that there is a production A produces x1, x2, xn, that there is an inherited attribute xi dot a computed by a rule associated with the production. Then the rule may use only inherited attribute associated with the head, that is parent node, either inherited or synthesized attribute associated with the occurrence of symbol xi x2, okay, and inherited or synthesized attribute associated with the occurrence of xi itself, but only in such a case there are no cycle in a dependency graph formed by the attribute of this xi. Okay, now we will discuss these things with the suitable example. Okay, what is synthesized attribute? Synthesized attribute, it is a attribute, it takes the value from its children only. And what are the things related to the L attribute inherited attribute? It takes the value from its children, sibling or parent only. Okay, now we will discuss the difference between S attributed and L attributed definition. S attributed definition, it uses only synthesized attribute, and L attributed syntax directed translation, it uses both synthesized and inherited attribute. Okay, semantic actions are placed at a right end of the production, and in L attributed definition semantic actions are placed at anywhere on the right hand side of the production. Okay, in S attributed definition we say that attributes are evaluated during bottom up parsing, and in L attributed definition we say that attributes are evaluated by traversing the parse tree from depth first search or left to right derivation mode. So these are the things which are related to the S attributed definition and L attributed definition. Generally we say that S attributed definition is used the synthesized attribute, and L attributed definition it use synthesized and inherited. Now next topic is semantic rules with controlled side effects. It permit incidental side effects that do not disturb evaluation. It imposes the restriction or allowable evaluation order so that the same translation is produced for allowable order. Okay, so these are the things related to the S attributed and L attributed definition. In next lecture we are going to discuss the things related to the application of syntax tree. Thank you.